Well, the big story of the morning, Elon Musk is officially taking control of Twitter, completing his $44 billion takeover of the social media giant, tweeting out, "The bird is freed," to mark the start of his ownership of the company. And that start reportedly includes several executives, such as CEO Parag Agrawal and CFO Ned Siegel being let go. Joining us to discuss is Yahoo Finance's Alexis Keenan. And Alexis, let's start with the shakeups here that have happened already. Not entirely unexpected.
Right.
But what does this look like moving forward? We're taking a look at the potential payouts that could come, what this could mean for the company.
Yes. So these top executives so far are entitled to compensation under the merger agreement. They get accelerated compensation. So they're seeing a big payday here. Let's go through what those are. CEO Parag Agrawal and CFO Ned Siegel also being let go. Head of legal policy Vijaya Gadi, she's the one who is controversial for banning President Trump, also banning political ads on Twitter, and also had banned that New York Post story saying that Hunter Biden had arranged a meeting between his father and Ukrainian businessmen. So these big shifts, they're going to cost the company some money. I've read up to $200 million. The numbers are a little bit shaky, but we do know that those three executives together, they own 1.2 million shares in Twitter worth $65 million. Also under the merger agreement, a golden parachute for accelerated vesting of stock worth $119.6 million. They also get 1 year of salary and benefits. Each of those executives making $600,000 a year plus base salary. So big ticket items here.
And now it's interesting that the big executives, right, they're out, but we don't feel that sorry for maybe the big ones that get quite a bit of a payout there. But what about the employees? Because there had been headlines that 75% of the employees were going to be cut. Then Elon Musk says no. So what happens to the employees, the majority of them at Twitter?
So there are reports that Elon Musk did, in fact, this is the New York Times saying that he did, in fact, agree to pay the vesting that was coming for the rank and file employees. Now, that date is November 1st. So Tuesday, a big part of Twitter's workforce was set for a big payday. Estimates are that that payment, if Musk does make it, will cost approximately $100 million. And there's some concern, some employees have expressed concern that he won't, in fact, make those payments because under the language of the agreement, going back to the merger agreement language again, it says that you have to still be employed at the company in order to get those payouts. So that's something to watch. Also,
benefits them financially to fire them, right? I mean,
yeah, it absolutely does. And look, Twitter's ranks have swelled to 7,500 employees over between 2020 and 2021. That was the year-end number as of December. And so the company has been adding and adding to its workforce over the past 5 years. Certainly with that incentive, it might be something that he wants to take a close look at, getting rid of more employees.
And finally, there are questions here about what this business structure is going to look like. I mean, Elon Musk has floated a number of ideas since this offer was first made back in April of this year. Subscription model, sort of getting rid of a number of features. At the end of the day, the business as it stands gets more than 80% of its revenue from ad dollars. So what's going to change there?
Yeah, so TBD, right? But what we can know is what was tweeted between Elon Musk and his associates, some of them being friends, some of them business partners, investors, in the tweets that we saw, his personal tweets that we got through the litigation in discovery that was supposed to happen with Twitter if this deal didn't go through. He had talked a lot about, shifting users, also the amount of content, the type of content that would be permitted on the platform. So certainly we can expect some more wide-ranging speech allowed on the platform. That's something that he has long said he wants to do. He also says he wants to be able to have it as a forum that does that without inciting violence. Also, that tweet that he tweeted out directly to his advertisers yesterday, he said this: Twitter obviously cannot become a free-for-all hellscape where anything can be said with no consequences. He went on to say that he aspires to make it one of the most respected advertising platforms in the world. So definitely giving a nod to the fact that just anything can't go on Twitter.
TBD, as usual, has been with this deal with Twitter. Thanks so much, Alexis Keenan.